Hello students, this is Preeti Damle of Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Today again we are going to learn English grammar, modal auxiliaries. In the previous video I had explained you what is modal verb and the number of modal verbs. Yes, I'll again repeat the rules and then we'll move forward to the other modal verbs. So the rules which are carried for the modal verbs are: first, they are followed by a verb in the base form. Like for example, I can run very fast. Next, they are the same for all the pronouns. That is she, they, I, you. Right? These are the certain pronouns where where the modal verb will remain the same for all of them. Like you could make it better. Next, they take direct negative and question forms. Like you can't smoke here, or can you repeat that? And lastly, they never combine with another modal verb. In the sense, you cannot use two modal verbs at the same time, one after the other. Like you can't, must read. So this is wrong. Okay. Now today we are going to learn will and would. In the previous video we had learned can and could. Today we are going to learn will and would. So the field is request. Now will is informal for request. Like for example, will you lend me your book? Now if you take would, yes, this is more polite in comparison to will. Would you study with me? Next is refusal. Refusal means to refuse. Now this is the word itself shows it's something negative. Now refusal for will is used in present and future tense. Like I won't do your work. But would is used for past tense. The same refusal is used for past tense. Like she wouldn't help me yesterday. Next field is offer. Now offer is in the field offer, will is used for present and future tense. Like I'll watch your children today. Okay. But if you talk about would is used in past tense, again for the same field offer, where you have the syntax like would plus the present perfect. Like for example, I would have helped you. Clear? Next is conditionals. Now in 7th class you already learnt conditionals and they were of 3 types: type 1, type 2, type 3. So same conditionals are being used here. Yes, so for will only type 1 is used. Example, if he asks me, I'll help him. But if you talk about would, yes, would uses second conditional and third conditional. Like for example, if I had more money, I would buy a car. Yes, this is type 2. And type 3 is if I had studied, I would have passed. Clear? Next field is future. Obviously, will is used most of the time for future. So, we will visit Spain next month. And for future, if you talk about would, future is in the past. It is used for future in the past. Like he said that he would help us move next week. Okay, students? Thank you.